always loved to draw and paint people's faces. And when I got my hands on my first makeup kit, I started experimenting on my face and then slowly on faces of friends and family. The thing that was different when painting on real human faces in comparison to drawing portraits on blank paper was they had feelings. So when I heard that they are happy and confident with my makeup on, I discovered my true passion for makeup. My passion for makeup artistry was always to help others to make their dream of becoming a successful makeup artist a reality. Hey guys, I'm Haja. I'm a certified makeup artist and online makeup instructor. I found my passion for makeup in portrait artistry. I did not go to a makeup school. Instead, I went to a cosmetology school where I got familiar with the skin first. There, I also learned makeup application as well as makeup theory. After graduating as a licensed cosmetologist, I went to several makeup training courses of world-famous makeup artists to deepen my knowledge in makeup artistry further. I honestly think online education can be as valuable as offline education because the learning method is the same. You watch your mentor applying and explaining makeup artistry. Then it is your turn to practice on yourself or on a model. And after doing that, you can contact your mentor to correct or approve your work. So I think the process is not much different other than that online learning offers more flexibility. So my biggest challenge was to meet the needs of my first paying clients because I wanted them to be satisfied with their makeup on. Hence, consulting and understanding them was time-consuming as well as tiring. Another challenge to me was getting to know the different skin tones, types, as well as eye shapes and face shapes. I always thought that learning the theory was more comprehensible than switching to the practical experience. So that was a huge challenge as well. My first clients were a young woman and her mother. They wanted to get ready for a wedding. They were introduced to me by my friend. They both were relaxed and gave me their full trust. So when I noticed that my clients are easygoing, I felt really comfortable and confident working on them. As a beginner and perfectionist, I doubted my work, hence I did not set a price list at that time. So I had let them decide to pay me how much they thought my work was worth. Fortunately, they were kind enough to pay me a reasonable price of €100 for an occasional makeup. So my favorite type of makeup is a makeup look that emphasizes the natural beauty. I like to work with brown eyeshadow shades and eyeliner to contour and lift the eyes. So applying nude and red matte lips makes the looks more elegant, and adding a pair of lashes turns the makeup look into an occasional makeup. So my favorite type of clients to work with are those that trust me and my work. My most notable achievement in makeup was in July 2020 when I first launched my very first online masterclass titled as Makeup Artistry Basic to Master by Haja. The online makeup class is a complete guide to makeup artistry and got titled as a bestseller, teaching 11,000 students all over the world. I love to help others with the experience that I've gained in the past 8 years, starting as a self-taught and working my way up as a professional makeup artist through my online makeup course, Makeup Artistry Basic to Master, which is also now available on the world's leading makeup online school, alphamakeup.academy.com. With my online masterclass, I wanted to create access to makeup artistry for everyone who wants to take their skills to another level and start a makeup business someday. Start taking your career seriously by expanding your knowledge in makeup artistry. Never doubt yourself and your skills. All you need is a dose of passion for beauty. Practice a lot, update your technique, have a supportive mentor, show your work to the world, and finally know your worth. Because you will have your own audience that will cherish your work and your personality as a makeup artist. Thank you for joining my Q&A.